my channel. I know my background's messy. Basically, this video is just gonna be a Uniqlo haul. I just want to show you guys what I bought from Uniqlo because when I went there, they were having a big sale. And bilang tayo ay tirador ng sale items. So, yan, napabili tayo guys. So, without further ado, let's get it on. Rest in peace yung pera ko. So, share ko lang na I don't really have any idea of doing a haul before going to Uniqlo. But then, it happened. Marupok tayo eh. I was just planning to buy an innerwear for my fairy tale costume that night. Pero pagdating ko dun, sale sila. So, wala na ako nagawa. But anyway, cut the drama. Let's get it on! Yan. So first item that we have here. By the way, ito pala yung receipt ko. So, nakaabot ako ng... The first item that I will show you is leggings. Ayan. So, yan yung leggings, guys. It's Irisim UV cut leggings and yung original price niya is $14.90. But I got it only for $9.90. So, diba? Malaking discount na yun. I think a lot of my friends know na I'm a leggings girl more than a jeans girl. So, I bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 leggings. Okay, yes, 5 leggings. Because, why not? Ito naman siya. This is, leggings with slits. Ayan siya. So, ang ano niya, original price niya was $14.90 as well. And I got it for only $7.90. So, imagine, 50 off. Na-compute ko yun. Ayan, next one. Hindi pa pala. So, this is how it looks like when you wear it. Yan. Next naman is a brown colored one. So, it's ribbed slit leggings. Dark brown. And, it's also... Let's see how much. $14.90 rin siya before. Pero, since naka-sale, it's only $7.90. Okay, let's now go to the other two. Ayan siya. So, medyo ano naman. Hindi naman siya really white. Parang off-white. So, one is off-white. One is, yeah, off-white. Off-white pala. Parehas. So, this one is just, I think, plain legging. So, yan yung material niya. Kung nakita nyo. Ayan. Only, I bought it for $9.90, but the original price was, ouch, $14.90 rin. Next one is the leggings with slits. So, I think parang feeling ko magkaparehas sila nito. So, one in black, one in off-white. Yan. Dahil nga leggings girl ako. Mahilig ako sa leggings kasi feeling ko mas ano siya eh, mas presko. Mas breezy and airy yung feeling. So, kaysa mag-pants ka. Tsaka, medyo minsan kasi pag nagpa-pants ako, yung masakit siya sa thighs and yung sa Ayun, basta naiinitan ako pag nagsusuot ako ng jeans. Yun. Disclaimer, I don't know if I'm doing it right. It's the first time that I'm doing a mini haul. Feeling ko hindi talaga siya So, please bear with me. Feeling ko gusto ko siyang i-share kasi sale eh. Pero, yun. Instant na bilhin mo siya on their original prices, di ba? 50 off is really a big deal. Pants. Ayan siya. It's women crepe jersey white pants. Hindi ko alam kung kita, pero let's stand. So, ayan. Tcharan! Ayan. So, basta yan yung detail niya. Talagay ko na lang dito how it looks like. Hopefully, ma-achieve natin yan. It's only $14.90. But the original price was $29.90. So like $30 is already 1,000 pesos in the Philippines pag kinonvert mo. So yung 1,000 for me lang naman na. Syempre sa mga iba kong friends and ibang tao din sabi nila, mura lang yun. For me kasi 1,000 sa size ko. Usually kasi parang small or medium lang ako, hindi naman ako nagla-large. So maraming mga sale na pants na hindi worth 1,000. Pero yun nga, since siya, sale, so binili ko na 14.90 and at the same time, parang feeling ko maluwag siya. Yung makakagalaw ka talaga, 'di ba? Ayan. Next one is ito. It's a Tcharan! Ganda ng print niya, di ba? Although, medyo parang feeling ko malaki siya sa akin. Pero, naisip ko siyang pantulog, actually, sleepwear. Pero this is, actually, feeling ko pang alis. Marimekko. I don't know if I pronounce it correctly, but Marimekko is a Finnish design house celebrated for its original prints and colors since 1951. So, feeling ko nag-collab sila. Ayan, partnered with Marimekko. Yun. It says here, it's 3/4 sleeve tunic. So, yan. Naisip ko, nung una, parang ang sarap niyang pantulog. Pero nung pinakita ko sa boyfriend ko, sabi niya, pwede mo pang alis yan. So, let's see whether I can use it as a sleeping wear or pang alis natin. Pero pwede rin nga, medyo pwede naman. So, pakita ko na lang kung anong itsura niya pag sinuot na. Ayan. Next one is a shirt. Meron akong white nito, pero kasi gusto ko talaga yung fit niya and yung material is really soft and presko. So, yan. This is worth $9.90. Ewan ko, kasi close to yellow, parang mustard, pero brown yung color niya talaga. So, beige yung nakalagay dito. Pero pag in person, medyo malapit siya sa mustard yellow. Pero, hindi naman super yellow. Wala lang. Gusto ko lang yung color niya. So, eto namang sunod. Or maybe you're wondering na parang ba't ako It's because I bought lots of this for my friends. So, pagka feeling ko, ibibigay ko sa kanila on Christmas Day. Diba? Not bad na as a Christmas gift. Ayan. So, tapos, magagamit pa rin namin siya in case na mag-Christmas party kami or sa birthday ko. Tapos sabihin ko, oh, yung natin, yung dress code natin is this one. And then, I bought 2 of these. Ayan, cardigans. Ito. I have one in black and I have one in natural. Ayan. So, more on earthy tones na yung binili ko para mas madaling bagayan. Ayan. So, first one is this one. Tcharam! Ayan. Ano lang siya. To be honest, di ako mahilig sa sweater, jackets, and cardigans. Yung mahilig talaga mag-cardigan is yung third sister ko, si Luis. Yun, mahilig yun mag-long sleeves, mag-jacket, ganyan. Ako hindi. Mahilig ako sa sleeveless, crop tops, tube tops, ganyan. Pero kasi, since meron akong allergy, skin allergy or skin condition called urticaria, and natitrigger siya pag there's cold temperature that is surrounding my body. So, every morning, gigising ako, marami akong pantal dito, hives, ganyan, ganyan. So, minsan, pag umaga, hindi siya basta-basta nawawala. It's gonna be there for the whole day. Minsan pa nga ganun. So, ang gagawin ko, mag-jacket na lang ako or mag-sweater. Eh, yung sweater ko dito, medyo feeling ko, numinipis na siya. So, bumili na lang ako ng extra since magagamit ko naman siya everyday. Ayun. Kasi, hindi naman sa conscious ako na parang, parang nahiya ako na may hives ako. Well, hindi naman ako nahiya. Pero kasi, ano lang, feeling ko as a courtesy lang for other people na hindi ko naman din pwedeng i-explain sa kanila na, oh, I have urticaria, that's why my skin is like this. So, syempre, pag sakay mo sa, pag nag-commute ka on public vehicles, hindi naman pwedeng mag-explain ka lagi. So, ayun. Jacket na lang ako kasi pakakalain nila contagious yung skin condition ko. Pero hindi siya contagious actually, Hindi siya contagious. Sa akin lang yun, parang ano lang, allergic lang sa extreme temperatures. And so far, allergic ako sa chicken ngayon. Pero dati hindi ako allergic sa chicken. Ayan lang. So that's it. That's the end of my vlog. I hope you like my mini haul. Pero definitely I promise to improve on it. Sana mas marami pa akong masabi kasi medyo ano lang. Tapos feeling ko na papasok yung roommate ko any moment. So medyo conscious tayo. Baka magbukas yung door any moment. Ayan, kita nyo ba? Ayun guys. So I hope you enjoy my vlog and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! I forgot to show you pala yung innerwear na binili ko talaga. Yun yung mahal kasi ano siya it's worth 19.90. Hindi siya sale. Pero kasi I badly needed it last time. So binili ko na. Pero anyways, feeling ko naman magagamit ko siya like when I'm going out. Like accessories ko lang siya. Ganun. I'm just gonna show you how it looks like. Kasi siguro mag-lagay din ako ng photo. Yeah.